People are asking me, if you saw so many red flags, why did you keep trying? I just did not want it to fail. I actually pushed my husband to get a job. I talked to one of my friends and got us interview. We started working as CSRs at a call center. Our first Eid as a married couple was spent at work, and honestly, I did not care. I was actually happy that we were building something of our own. But his family still had a way of making everything difficult for us. His elder brother was not doing much, so my husband was expected to manage everything around the house. He'd take his mother wherever she wanted to go. I would call him in the middle of the night. Sometimes he would literally leave me at my parents' house because his family needed him. No concept of I'm married now, this is my wife's time. There were no boundaries, no privacy. They even go through the trash in my room. They would always eavesdrop. There was a maid in the house that would always listen to my private conversations and report it. And then there was this car situation. His elder brother won't give us the car sometimes to go to work. We always had to put up with his tantrum, and taking an Uber was considered as a humiliation. So whenever a car situation would come up, I was expected to arrange a car from my family. They would sell their car anytime they were getting a good price, and then they would go with my brother to look at expensive cars that were out of their budget. At one point, my father had to put some money to get them a car. While I was working, and my money would go into food, fuel, going out, birthday gifts and stuff, and his salary would just vanish in 2 days. I had to put money out of my savings or to get it from my family to survive the whole month. Actually, they could not afford the rent of the whole house. We moved to a smaller place closer to my parents' house, and that is when I decided to leave the job because I could not keep lying to my parents anymore. And guess what? He quit too. Periods when my mother-in-law would leave for Canada and America for months and leave her two unemployed sons and the whole house on my shoulders. I would cook, pay for the groceries, manage the house, do everything, and still they were not happy with me.